Today we're going to be looking at a very simple way to make our scratch move in a random position. What I mean is we want this cat or this sprite. Okay, let's give it a name called cat. We want this our sprite called cat to move in a random position by itself, meaning that we want it to move by itself, maybe to the x-axis, or to the y-axis, or to whatever position we want it to go. So this will be very interesting. Just pay attention, and you're going to enjoy it. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is, of course, how to control this sprite. The first thing we want to drag in here is to always use, not all the time, but it is necessary to click on event and one of these caps, and then we use them. I prefer using when the flag is clicked. Okay, you can also use when the sprite is clicked, so you have to click on the sprite each time to make it move or to make it perform the action you want. So but I'll be using when the flag is clicked for now. Okay, so when the flag is clicked, we want to make this sprite move randomly, so we can now click on the forever, look for the forever, there, exactly, this guy, this block of code. We take it in, and then we use move 10 steps, and that is found in the motion section. So we take this block of code and then we drag and drop it inside the forever loop block. All right, and then we will then add, I prefer adding a next costume, because it makes our sprite original, meaning it makes it look as if it's walking, not just flying around. Okay, so I'm going to add next costume so that it can move its steps, it can move its feet. All right, so the next thing we want to add is for it to wait for 1 second. I think is here. Yeah, wait for 1 second on the, no. You want to wait for 1 second after it has moved. Wait for 1 second, and then we now look for the go to random position, which is found somewhere. Go to random position is found in motion, and then we take this and then drop it here. All right, so when we click on this button or on the code itself, this sprite will begin to perform its functionality. So let's click on this, and then it starts to move in a random position by itself. But you see the feet are also changing. That's why we used next costume. All right, that's as simple as that. So now the next thing I want to do, which is we've successfully done the code, make it move randomly. Now we can now stop this code. But to make this video, this project more interesting, why don't we add music to it? So I'm thinking, so okay, we can come here and then say come to control. Oh, sorry, event. Take when the flag is clicked, and then we can add music to it. So we come, if you wanna, if you're opening your Scratch for the first time, this might not be there. So you click on this, you click on this button right here, click on this button right here and say music. You click on music, and then this options will pop up. Is that clear? And then we'll come to sound, or rather you might not have dance magic on your system. So the first thing you do when you click on this and music appears, come to sound, this sound right here, click on choose a sound, and then search for Dance Magic, and I guess this is it. You can listen to it right here. Very nice rendition of music. So we click on it, and after we click on it, click on code, then we click on sound, and then it will appear here. Play sound Dance Magic until done. All right, or we can say start sound Dance Magic. It doesn't read, but I prefer this. So we click on this, and then we drag it onto display. So we have two blocks of code. One is for movement of the sprite, and the other is for the music. And the other is for the music. So we click on this. You can see the beauty of our code. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thank you.